Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, we can talk about the how you guys will optimize your Facebook page username and the Facebook page customize URL. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please hit the subscribe and like button. Okay. So firstly, you can open your profile Facebook and you can log in throughout your personal account where you guys are created your page. So this is my personal account. There I have created one page, the Digital Marketing Lab. The page name is Digital Marketing Lab. So simply you can navigate on your page section. There is multiple options. So simply you can click on this section on pages. So you can see this is your page, and also there is another option to you can see top of the left bottom of the left section there is a pages. Simply you can click on your page and you can see there is a setting button. You can click on setting button and there is no any option to you can found your page and the profile and details or anything. So if I can click on page details, you can see that kind of interface I'm founding. So simply again you can click on setting button and there is a search setting section. There you guys can type username and you can click to enter button and you can see this is your name section. So simply you can click on your name section. So you can see this is your name, page access, and there is another detail. So you can simply click on view button and you can see this is your page name. If you wanting to optimize your page name, so from there you can optimize your page name DML training. Simply you can click on save changes button and this is can ask you your Facebook profile login details, Facebook password. So simply you can enter your Facebook password, your profile password. Okay, then you can click to the request changes. So there are a limit on this pages. You can't make this action while choose limit are in place. Okay, so I just optimized my Facebook username, so that's why they can restrict for the upcoming 60 days. So I can't make any changes. So you can see if you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for the 60 days. Okay, I'm not able to change my Facebook name upcoming 60 days. So I can do these things later. And after that, if you so there is a two option, so you can optimize your Facebook page name as well and your username is the same your URL. So from there you can click on edit button and you can see this is a username. So there you guys can add your username and you can see you can found your proper optimized page URL landing page. So I have added DML training. So if I remove the yes, I can't able to see. You can see the username is not available, so that's why I have added a yes s, and you can click to the save changes button and I can show you this is my Facebook page and you can see this is a URL. So this is these are the simple process to you guys can optimize your Facebook page name and the Facebook page username and URL. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request you guys can optimize hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.